Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video we'll be analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty and we'll see what our trading plans will be and for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Guys, if you see here, for past 3 days there's been no strength either by bulls or by the bears. Well, for now bears look in control at this level, somewhere from 36,600. It looks like a resistance because on 5th February it had formed something like a gravestone doji, and then on 8th yesterday, it was something like a shooting star, and today it has formed kind of normal doji. And if you see here, if I take this all these three candles into consideration, it is almost a inside bar. It is an inside bar in fact, right? So this high, 5th February high and 5th February low will be a key level to trade. Till it breaks, you can use this for range trading. Range trading in the sense you can probably buy from somewhere around this level, this low, and try to sell at this level. You can either go long at this level and create short positions at this level. Once this range breaks, then you can use it for breakout trades either of the side. Once it breaks on the upside, you can go long position, or once it breaks on the downside, you can create short positions. Till this range breaks, don't create any new position, because at 36,600 levels I see it has become a strong resistance. So the bears are not allowing 36,600 to break. Now let's see what our trading plan will be for tomorrow. So for now, as I said you, all these patterns look very weak. All these candles, it shows there's no strength in the bulls. So tomorrow, in case it gaps up and sustains above 36,615, then it can start moving up. So let's go and see how the Bank Nifty future chart looks as well. Okay guys, this Bank Nifty future chart, I think I had explained about this chart 2 or 3 days prior about this trading plan. Okay, I'll probably maintain the same trading plan, because this plan what I had put, it was for this shooting star, and now I can use this for inside bar breakout trading as well. Now guys, if you see for today, right, this was a shooting star, and these two candles, the second today's candle has engulfed the previous candle. It looks almost similar to a bearish engulfing, though in bearish engulfing, the first candle, I'm talking about this candle, will be usually a bullish candle. But still, if I compare these two candles, the second candle is stronger, and all these three candles have been showing weakness. In the sense, sellers are trying to gain control here. The bears are trying to gain control here. So as I said you before, use this opportunity for range trading until and unless this high in this a future chart 36,640 and this low 35,527 doesn't break. Use it for range trading. From this level tomorrow, 35,527, if price reverses on the upside, you can take a long trade, but make sure you trail your stop loss. And in case there's again a momentum till today's high or 5th February high, right, and if price reverses from this level, again you can create a small short positions, and these two levels you can trade in very small quantities, as it's I'm talking about a range trading. And if it breaks out on either of the sides, on this upside or this on the downside, then you can create your positions and you can start trailing your stop loss with the targets what I mentioned here. It's almost around 35,352, 200 points I'm looking for on the downside. Then it's somewhere around 35,000 and 34,675. Though the targets look very big, every 100 points you can trail the stop loss if you're using for day trading, and make sure that you don't lose the potential profits whatever you earned. This is a rough analysis what I'm telling you, and very soon I'll show you my trading plan as well based on the zones. Guys, in case you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. And if you have any doubts, you can drop a message either on WhatsApp, or you can drop a comment in this under this video itself. Okay, now talking about Nifty, guys, you can see here Nifty also has shown some weakness today. So I'll be pointing out this high and low in Nifty. This is a Nifty 50 chart. spot chart. This high and this low will be a key level. Now let me show you, there is a gap. There's a gap here. Yes, this gap is very small. It's almost around 35 25 34. Yeah, it's almost around 25 points. Okay, now simple trade plan, I'll explain you what I have is, tomorrow in case price breaches today low, that is 15064, we can expect 15041, and below 15041 you can expect 15014 to cover gap. And in case it goes more down, then you can go ahead with the target of 14952, right? And in case it fails to break 15064, as I have explained you in Bank Nifty chart, you can use this for range trading as well. The range will be 15257 to 15064. In case price reverses from this range low, then you can use a long opportunity, but make sure you trade your stops every 20-25 points so that you don't lose the potential profit. And if you see a reversal from this top, use it for shorting purpose with 20-25 points risk reward ratio. You can maintain 1:1 risk reward ratio. Every 25 points you can trail the stops, and once trading stop hit, don't take next trade until and unless it reaches the range high or range low. In case it gives a break above this range or below this range, then probably we can see a swift fall on the downside or swift rise on the upside, right? This is the rough plan. Now talking about the range, what I usually use for trading, I'll show you that also. Guys, this is the plan what I have for tomorrow. And yesterday I had mentioned you this R1 going to be very tight zone, and you can see here prices gapped up today and it has reversed from here itself. It has not broken this R1 zone. All these zones whatever I have mentioned here in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, these zones will be updated in the description box. You can have a look at that. You can draw the same zones on your system, and you can see how beautifully the price respects the zone. Now the simple plan for tomorrow, as I've said you, that is one plan. I'll maintain what I had shown you. The other plan will be this. Let me mark this low also here. It will be very important. Okay, this is Bank Nifty chart, guys. In case price reverses from this S1, then probably I can initiate my long trades. But remember, this 50 moving average will act as a resistance, right? Once it reaches 50 moving average, you can probably try to trail your stops or book your profits. And if it sustains above 50 moving average, then guys, you can expect prices move to R1 zone, right? Now if price closes below this S1 zone, that is 799, right, almost around 35,800 levels, you can go for a short position with a target of today's low. Below this you can expect prices move to S2 level, S3 level and S4 level, right? This is the S4 level what we have. This is a simple plan what I have for tomorrow. And above R1 only then you can create you can add more quantities if you want to, but make sure you add only above 36,640. If price sustains about 36,640, then you can use 100 points target like 36,700, 36,800 and 36,900 on the upside. Now talking about Nifty, guys, you can check out here. This is my new zone, that is R1 zone what I have created. All these zones will be updated, all these levels what I've used will be updated in the description box, right? Okay, now yesterday I had said you about this trend line. You can see prices have held this trend line very well, but the only thing it's concerning is this has broken this 50 moving average. So after breaking the 50 moving average, prices have hit this S1 level and it has been holding this trend line. So for tomorrow the plan can be very simple. Either we will see a bounce back from this trend line where this 50 moving average can act as a strong resistance, and after that if we see a break, if it reverses and if we see a break below this trend line, then guys we can create a short position for S1 as a target. Below S1 you can use S2, S3 and S4 levels as the targets. Every time it reaches zone, make sure you start trailing your stop loss so that you don't lose your potential profit. and in case price sustains above 50 moving average, then we can expect prices move back to R1. Above this R1 we can see for 15,300, 15,340 and 15,380 as the targets, right? But make sure at this 50 moving average, in case it reverses, you create short positions only when it breaches this trend line. Any close below this trend line in 15-minute chart, then probably you can go short with your proper setups, whatever you have. So guys, this is the simple plan what I'll be maintaining for tomorrow, and with this I have also shared the analysis of Tata Power, Bajaj Finance and Asian Paints. You can have a look at that. If you have any doubts, please drop a comment, and if you enjoy watching my videos, give a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Alright guys, I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day.